I'm back. I decided that I would do a video that I was supposed to do like years ago. My friend Carly asked me to do one and I've been too busy, but now I have all this free time. So here, this is how I do my hair scarf. I take it and I fold it into a triangle, but I leave a little bit peeking through. Then I fold it down so it doesn't pass the bottom. And then I fold it in half again so that it looks something like this. Now I take it and I wrap it around the back, and then I tie it up like that. And then I do a bow. I leave it a little loose so that it doesn't try to slide up. And then I flip these, do them the opposite way. And I like to leave it a little messy like this and big. Bye guys.